All right, you guys, in today's video, I will be demonstrating how to make coffee for me. It is my COFFEECHINO recipe. I'm going to show you how to make my coffee so that there are no excuses. If I need somebody to make me a coffee, you know how to make it. Here's the demonstration and all the ingredients I like in it. Hold on. Make sure this is right. Wait a minute. Can't do the coffee without turning the stove on. What we're gonna do? Give that some time to boil. So while it's boiling, in fact, I can show y'all what goes in it. So, okay. Get you a tablespoon. I like to make it in a regular cup first before I transfer it to that cup. Take your instant coffee. And yeah, this for the instant coffee. Make sure that spoon is full. Gotta have my coffee mate in it. I love the powdered coffee mate. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and a half. Make sure they fill to the top like how you just saw. Sugar. 1, 2. Now, stir those up. Got some half and half over here. Use a couple of these. If we don't have it, that's fine. I can do without. Put a couple of those in. One thing I don't like is the light creamer.
Their diapers must be in their room because there was only one diaper in the room.
Okay, baby. I don't like the light coffee creamer. It don't taste good to me. It give it a weird taste. I like Coffee Mate and Land O'Lakes. Everything Coffee Mate and Land O'Lakes. Before we open a new one, we're gonna use the rest of what we have here. The hazelnut. It's about a tablespoon. Of each. So I want the hazelnut and the vanilla. So, you know what? We're gonna do without. What'd you say that? Okay. You must gotta buy some more. Yeah, put 2 in there. This is the mixture. Should look something like that. I'm recording y'all a video on how to make coffee, so y'all ain't got no excuses to forget.
Man, I already know how to make your coffee.
One day you might act like you got amnesia, and I'll be like, here, watch the video.
Oh, Lord.
And then you ain't got no excuse for me, so I'm straight.
Oh, wow. A good plan.
I'm straight. If I can't get out the bed one day, ugh. All right, so I'm letting the coffee pot heat up. Don't pour my coffee water in there. Hold up. Don't pour my coffee water in there without hearing it go off. Okay? I want to hear the noise. You need to hear the noise of the coffee pot before you actually pour the water in my coffee. Now I'll be back. All right. Coffee pot is ready to make my coffee. Just made some peanut butter toast. I'm gonna move this out our way for now. We got a video on how I like my peanut butter toast. You can watch that as well. Right now, it is coffee time. Okay. I showed y'all the ingredients I like. I even like cinnamon. So you could do the cinnamon without the other creamers. You just put the coffee mate. You could do the cinnamon with just this. I'll be happy with that. A dash of cinnamon and 4 scoops of the coffee mate. Right? You don't fill it up all the way. It might look like it's filled up all the way right now, but it's not. It's just everything that's in there. Set this down to be safe. I think I did fill it up a little too much. But try to just warm your pot up, your cup. Fill the cup up to about here for starts. So that way you can give it a real good stir. Let's see. And I know my coffee. I can look at the coffee and be like, don't look like you put enough cream, buddy. We need a tiny bit more water. All right, let me try this out. Now this coffee is perfect on the first round. I ain't even got. I'm such a pro. I ain't even got to add no water, no. Put everything back because I'm ready to go now. I'm gonna transfer it to my coffee cup. I'm happy. Got my coffee, and I'm gonna get on my merry way. And that's how you make coffee for Cassandra Calixte. Where my pleasers at? Where my pleasers at? Thanks for watching. Subscribe and learn more of how I like things done.